5 minutes video consultation on how to prepare this ATS. All right, as I've already posted in my message, you might have seen there is a walk-in interview and how people are struggling to get in. So you should be already knowing the fact that today no more walk-in interviews are getting entertained in many IT companies, because that's why they've kept this ATS system inside. Unless and until your resume is matching to their standard, your resume is not going to be showed to them. Rather, it is going to be automatically put into the trash bin. Okay, so that is the reality. I think everybody who's there in LinkedIn, you should be aware of this particular information. Everybody is talking about it. So now in this quick 5 minutes, I'm going to give you a guidance on how you can prepare your ATS friendly resume and what are the things that you need to construct carefully. All right, let's take a look onto this one by one. All right, so you must know this points. First thing is name and designation. You need to start, people will be writing only name, but what is the designation that you're going to apply for? Nobody will be putting that on the top column, first row itself. Your name, and if you're applying for a data analyst or a data scientist, it should come in the second row itself. That is very important. And also you should update your email ID, your contact number, and the LinkedIn profile if you have at the top profile itself. First line itself, it should cover. Okay, fine. Then the second point is work experience. Called it immediate. You don't need to add your profile summary section anymore, because now most of the ATS is not at all seeing that. Because earlier it used to work when we see resume manually, but mostly when we wanted to cross this, the profile summary is not required. You can directly start from work experience, how many years of experience you have, and that is your second segment. Third segment, you can go ahead with the projects. Called it, what are the projects that you have worked with? You can just go ahead and display it over there. Fourth thing you can showcase is your skills. All right. Fifth thing you can showcase is your achievements. Sixth thing is your educational details. Seventh thing is your declaration. The second point here, I've just added it. I've missed to add it here, but you can just note it down. Your LinkedIn, your contact number, and your Gmail. All right. So follow this particular pattern and make sure your alignment and everything is very important. Most thing is people, you check your resume whether you have achievement section in your resume or not. Most of your resume is not having this achievement section, so you definitely need to work on it. So to help you understand this better, maybe you might be thinking in your mind, John, can you show me some reference resume? So here I would be showing you one resume, what we are using internally, how we are able to produce many results. Okay, so that it would be much helpful for you. Let me just showcase that for you now. See this. Just give a minute. Yeah, so this is one of our internal resource resume here. You can take a look on it. His name is how your resume should be. All right, this is 100% ATS friendly resume. We are getting more results. So this is the name. All right, and the look into the college, and also the place where he's from, and this details, and data analyst in the work experience itself. Yeah, so this itself, it is helping us to understand that he's applying for data scientist job role, and he already worked. All right, probably you should have added here. We should have told him data. Here itself it could have been added, so we'll be working on it. And the second segment is projects. All right, what are the projects? The seasons projects. He has worked in a company, so the what is the project title and what is the duration, and what are the roles and responsibilities he worked, and the project's title, duration, and the roles and responsibilities, title, duration, roles and responsibilities. So like this, you need to showcase the projects which you are actually going to apply for. That project you should have worked more. All right, and then you can showcase your educational details, skills section. See this, the last segments you can interchange it, but first thing is work experience, second thing is your projects, because as a hiring manager, we will be looking mostly into your work experience, projects, and the achievements. All right, and then the skills. This fourth thing is mostly sufficient for us. Your educational background and everything, that's the least priority, but this is when we get to see, this is what initially we'll be seeing this. First is work experience, second thing is your projects. All right, and then you can showcase your educational skills and the technical skills, what and achievements is very important, and the declaration. All right, I hope it is clear. So follow this particular step when you're preparing your ATS friendly resume. So you will get calls, right? You don't need to go to walk-in interviews and everything. If you follow this pattern, you will receive calls from companies if your resume is passing the ATS score. Okay, hope this guidance helped you. So you can drop your comments in the comment section below, and make sure you follow this particular channel so that you will get more tips here itself already, even in future. Thank you so much. Bye.